Tina Chen, the way how you did act on your life before me got work, girl. The way how you da act. There is so many things about you tomorrow. It ain't gonna be normal and it ain't gonna be nice. Because me directly see, you don't have nothing for lose, you know. You don't have absolutely nothing to lose because you're losing. The only reason why you call that businesswoman name up is because you want your views them for go up. Because all of them gal when me sit in a your platform and whatever you want to call it, them gal there some idiot gal Tina Chen. Remember me tell you, the gal them will buy up your wingworm cake, them nasty no blood clot. I make I tell you this, the only reason why you beat up yourself, you now have no sense where it's concerned. None. You're done to be in America. And the fact of the matter is, Tina Chen, you literally just fuck your whole self up, Tina Chen. And I'm gonna be one of them. And remember all of what you say and talk about some, oh, this businesswoman send people out to argue with you. That's a lie. On your daughter's soul, that's a lie. On your sick daughter's soul, that's a lie. You come out here to panhandle your daughter and your blood clot granddaughter situation. And that's exactly what you try to do, Tina Chen. You have your blood clot. I'm not calling it no 12 o'clock. You got a 24. You got your 24 coming, bitch. Tina Chen, if you bad, me give you $10,000 and I swear to God for my life. You see my hand, me give you $10,000 where I come off of this because them have to pay me out. Me give you $10,000 if you think you're bad. Go down there. None of your friends them don't have that. Forgive you right now. Go down there. Tina Chen, you ain't nobody. Tina Chen, you got your ass kicked by your daughter. So how the fuck is you going, how is you going to worry about a woman chop? A woman chop is our past and where she got you. Look at that beautiful woman. Me not cross-contaminate because you're nasty. Bitch, I listen to Grace Alive and I listen to that beautiful lady. The woman I do better than you. I listen to Grace Alive and I listen to your lifestyle and I'm here to add on to that. I'm here to add on to what people really, really don't want to pay attention to or know. You one nasty ass motherfucker. You is nasty. You have that shit. You with them fine bumps there in your face. Tina Chen, you ain't saying nothing on every amount of money that I own. Every amount of money that I own that you don't have shit. And I bet you any one of them hoes on your page. The whole of them nasty. When I put up pictures of you, it's because of what you're doing. And I want to show the world and prove the world to go to your page and not support shit, but to look so they could get a better understanding of that businesswoman. And that's the only cross-contaminate I will do. But not to call her name or get her mixed up with no wingworm shithouse like you that sleep with man who have AIDS. Tina Chen, you can't talk to nobody. You can't talk to nobody, Tina Chen. If you can, then you shut up. Because that life that you make, if nobody no know why you make that life, I promise you, where you started, let me tell you why I'ma treat you. Bitch, I'ma treat you because you see how you set up people, Tina. You see everything that I'm ranting about. And you see what I'm after. I mean to say I'm not in no good mood while I'm at work either. And what I mean to say is, Tina Chen, listen to me and listen to me good. Every motherfucking thing that you have done, I mean it on your daughter. I mean it on both of your daughters and I mean it on your weird ass son. I mean it. Bitch, I mean it, because I know how quick and fast, and every man that's locked up behind you watch, they won't be alone. Somebody caught on to what they were saying. Everybody that you have hurt in the past, this is your karma. And I will not get off of you, bitch. I'm not. Mark my word. Mark my word, Tina. You don't have to pay me no mind, bitch. Let me tell the people why. Because Tina Chin know that I'm problems. She said it out her own goddamn mouth. Listen, she can drag that businesswoman all she wants. If the Lord don't want that, so shall it be. I am not like nobody else on no internet. I mean what I say. You see, I'm at work. I'm making my money right now. I'm going to tell y'all something. I have nothing to fucking worry about. Do you hear me? Nothing to worry about. You hear what I tell y'all? On that bitch kids, I ain't got nothing to worry about. But we're going to make sure that they understand. I am never here to disrespect her sick daughter, because I know what she doing. She panhandling her sick daughter. If any one of her children know what she doing, then that's on them. Everything that you say out of your mouth, Tina Chin, understand this. When I walk around this place and I let everybody see you, your wingworm, your shringles, all of the things that you say, I'm good, baby. Tina Chin, all the dudes that you locked up, all the dudes that you have done something to, even your ex-bitch, anybody, all them bitches on your page, I'ma call all their names out, every last one of them, and I'ma treat you just like my situation that I got going on, and tell me if you serious than that. And I'm gonna show you why you don't go in Jamaica no more and spread no location of Mountain View. I'm not gonna let you set her up. And if everybody listen to that woman that know you, they will get an idea of why I won't give up. Tell any one of them to say something to me. Any one of them on your page. Matter of fact, try setting me up and see. My business is secure, you know, Tina. But I'm gonna spread a light. Because you're not gonna water that lady down. For whatever reason, I can't tell nobody. But I'm not gonna let you water her down. I'm not gonna do absolutely none of that. I have been saying everything that you're saying in English. I did give somebody, when you sat there on your live and all her friends, you tried to set up, you remember that video with the same curly wig and that white tank top? Yeah. So when you're talking about police, they're not going to help you over here. And I will make sure of that. And that's on your soul and minds. I have nothing to lose, Tina. My money ain't got nothing to do with social media, Tina. And I'm not like everybody else. See, at the time that you choose to put drugs in your pussy, it was the wrong time to do it. Wrong years to do it. That's how come I know you're an idiot. Tina Chin, understand, and please understand, every time that I put your picture on my page, I put it up there just to show the people, because I make a logical sense. I don't want no money for it. I don't want absolutely nothing for it. I will educate the people behind you. The ones that want to listen out loud and in silence. They're going to count their life. They're going to see what type of person you is. None of them gal up on your page can't mess with nothing around me at this time. The only reason why you did that is because you wanted to bring your views up. You noticed that they wasn't paying you no attention. So you have to call a beautiful name. I'm not even going to try to compare nothing. The reason why I protect that businesswoman in my spirit the way how I do, because the Lord knows that it's unnecessary. Y'all can fool man, but y'all can't fool God. And that's where I'm coming from. You hear me? With every bit of bitterness I got inside of me because of a bitch that act like you, and I found out what I found out on my end, I'm going to make sure, because you are no different when people explain your life, that you will set her up. And if you could get that close to the neighborhood and spread location, and this was a while ago when nobody wasn't looking, somebody the Lord gonna have looking out here. I want nothing, and I would never disrespect that businesswoman name for absolutely shit. Nothing. Not even close. But the heavens will let her know certain things in her spirit about me, and know that I am not tampering or bringing down her business or do absolutely nothing. You see chops, you see wound, been healed, Tina. But I got a picture of you with a grown wingworm and have the audacity to be spreading, and you're handling cakes. Tina Chin, man, let me tell you something. As I make my money, let me tell you this. You won't get away with that live. You see the part that I was caught, and why I tell you about yourself in my drawers, it's because I just checked something. And that's the part I heard. You know why? Because that's what I needed to hear. And I'm not talking about when your life is done, when it was going. You see how the Lord worked? He don't like ugly, Tina. Tina, you see your daddy? I don't trust you around that man. I saw you on a live earlier. You want me to explain that live to the people tomorrow too? Because on your soul and my soul, and on your daughter. Because one thing about it, your daughter gonna have to go to the Lord for all the help that she needs. Doctors can't say nothing. But I'm gonna make sure I give her a light. If I listen to what I hear, I would think that your daughter is wicked like you. But I can't go by that, because I'm under umbrella. The umbrella that I'm under, Tina Chin, it's very powerful. I don't like you. I would have apprehended you in my old days, but somebody else is waiting around the corner just to do such. There is no running, there is no hiding from absolutely nothing that you have said for the last 4 years. While everyone is doing it for their own recreational use, or whatever they're doing it for, I do it solely, and I put everything, and everything that is in this wallet here, I put it. And if I have to lose Tina Chin, I'm Americanized, very much so. And I got my own little thing, That's why I don't come to the media. I need you to know that this is a warning. She have not done you anything at all. Matter of fact, she asks people to support you. You took that. She troubling you. You don't want her to say nothing. Well, I'm not going to follow anything that businesswoman say, because the Lord is good. And I know she didn't send me out. I would rather to lose and her to win, because I'm a hustler and I'm a planter. And the line that I drew in front of that lady door in the spirit from the day of you doing that location is to say this: I am not backing down. I will not stop. And ever since Sunday, I've been in a total different mood where I choose not to laugh. I won't be. And every time I think about personal, what I think about, you won't get a chance. By a short period come, you will see what the Lord do to you. Short period of time, you will see. You're talking about 400. Oh, 400. I said I got 10,000 for you. If you prove to me that you is anything like you said. Because one thing about it, we don't set up people. And if you feel like that is going to go on with that businesswoman, my spirit alone in Tina, and I come with a lot. It say no. I care not what nobody say. You see me too unto them that you threaten to? I told you when you're ready to go to Atlanta, don't call their name for shit. You can, but you will be answered. And they didn't send me out. And that's on my soul, because that's all I have left. You don't know me. And you will never. Because the things that you do, and the things that that businesswoman do, and the things that my two auntie them do, auntie chocolate and vanilla, put me last, put them first. But I'm next. I don't live like you. And they don't live like you. And you won't be able. You would lose everything that you have left. Everything. I've been waiting for 4 years. Just know that. And that's the longest anybody wait and still don't want nothing on the internet. See, I want these people to understand me, team. You want her to move? Where you want her to move, go? What do you want her to do to please you? She not run around and suck cock. She's not about his security. In fact, you and all of you don't get along with. Y'all have sit there and y'all have criticized somebody that y'all just can't be like. If you feel as though she is ugly, nothing uglier. Because I have to prove it to the people. And the Lord wants you to be exposed. That's why I tell the people, don't feel sorry for her. When the Lord show me an image that connects, don't. Nobody doing this shit for no reason. Other people doing it. I never ask y'all to do nothing. Share my life. Y'all do it because y'all want to. I want to give y'all that freedom. Because freedom is what I say. When I mean to say, I'm acting as if I'm sleeping, you know, Tina, while I'm at work, right? And I want to make sure that I marinate and sleep on it. Because I'm going to answer you. Because one thing about it, the Lord have put people around that lady that she know nothing of. And she not going to understand. She not supposed to see our faces. It's the world that's supposed to see our faces. When they see her, they supposed to see her with them Jordans on her feet like earlier. Them tights, whatever she choose to put on her body. Because she looks good in the eyes of the Lord. Not in the eyes of man. You hear me, Tito in the back and Tina in the front. Everything that you have done. And Tina, if I leave this world today or tomorrow, It only gonna get worse for you. Because when I speak, I don't let stuff go. And I make sure that I plant anything that I say out there. And I do have folks who really, really love me because of the things that I say. And the things that I'm capable of. And I mean to say, by me being over here in America for almost 40 years, and I know nothing about my country, I stand on things when I'm for sure, and when I'm for sure that I can sit and listen to a judge tell you. You see all of what Ping Ping is doing, Tina? Every call you call my name, I have it, you know. I may only know about it like 2 to 3 times, you know. And that's enough. Tina, I'm making my money right now. And I'm literally telling you, with every pain inside of me, I'm telling you, because I can't let you do that to her. Everybody ever think it's a joke because them feel like them don't have nothing or can't get nothing. Well, let me tell you something. That businesswoman, she don't know it, and that's the best part about it. You see that little soul here over here, Satina? And our real manners, real light, real like the man them where you now go ramp with who want the money back. She have taught me how to forgive, because I don't know how. I'ma always say, if you make fly touch her, because the reason why I'm saying this, a lot of people gonna say you're not gonna do nothing, but I need everybody to sit that, keep that, hold that, because it's true. But the fact of the matter is, this is a person that never changes her ways. She set up people. If y'all don't believe it, go on to Gracie. And I'm not calling Gracie name, and she can't call Gracie name neither. I won't let it happen. Because she's serving truth that can land here and make one. But if you listen to her life, what more do y'all need from me? Nothing. Wanna bat wickedness. Wanna beard it. Wanna give it bubble bath. Over here, I'm not like that. Tina Chin, if I was in Jamaica right now, you would have a no-fly zone. Notice I don't say nothing about no-fly zone or none of that. I don't bring that language to you. Because y'all heed that girl on every grave that have something in it. Every urn that has something in it, and don't. You're talking about Miss Lou? Don't. God bless your mother, and God bless your father. You say big man time, God bless your mother, and God bless your father. When you was feeding your dad earlier, was it a put on? Yes, it was. Because him don't know how nasty and blood clot daughter is. My father will box you over in a spirit. Me not ask. I'm telling you. Just because I'm the way that I am, Tina, you're half of me and you trifling. I am the way that I am, you trifling. We give people AIDS. You go from man to woman, and you will give them AIDS. You will give them things. You nasty. Crispy crotches drawers, you're nasty. Me, you can call it what you want, but you see, when real people see me, they're gonna know I'm not playing with you, yeah? You see all them hoes on your page? I don't think they like confrontation. They don't like the confusion, do they? They just like to run their mouth on your page. Well, as I'm doing my shit tomorrow, Tina Chin on my life and your life. If anything happens to you, it will be from your past. You will never have money because you owe. When I say that businesswoman did not, nobody can tell me to stop what me I do. You know why? Because that is talking to the Lord too much and he ain't gonna like it. And I don't want him change nothing. I make it just go. And he haven't been, so don't provoke it. I do what I do. That she want ugly up the woman name, she want to do this and do that. That's not right. Because you know, if you remember the mask of people where don't know her like that and know her truth like that, them will believe and try to set up the woman too. Every time me not say nothing, Tina Chin come out with threats, me always hear her life where a businesswoman feel like her life is threatened. By God's grace, me not listen to it because it will anger me. Me just step on what I need to step on. Because Tina Chin, if you think this is Philadelphia, or you think that businesswoman, remember I'm from Philly. So, if you think that businesswoman will be any kind of anything that you will be easy to run down on and set up, you, the man them way you fuck, or anything, you better regroup. I'm not worried about the man them neither, because they would listen to me before they listen to you. Because they ain't never had nobody to explain to them. I mean it. On your daughter. You can't ramp with me now. Me tell you, you get hurt. You cannot ramp with me. And the way you will get hurt for me is because I love the Lord like that. I know what yard I grew up in. I know what prayer do. So when the people them a pray and I say I go get your deal, this is before your time. See, you didn't think nobody was gonna come out and say something to you and fully blown on it. Because you wanted the whole internet to hear you slander that woman. Put threats on her. Put metal butt say what you gonna do. I know what we think because I say the same thing. But on a higher level, can't take my eyes off of you. Because you want too much. There's 3 women. Are really 4, you know. But 3 of them the most. You see something in them, which is why 3 unto them. And I cannot hold it back no longer. And in order for Ping Ping to get at ease, I bet some just talk and done. You doing that live before I went to work tonight. Listen to that live and listen to me sitting right here where I'm sitting at. And there ain't a motherfucking thing that you can do. You hide your face. I don't. You selling the public while you have shingles and have all kinds of disease and fine fucking bumps in your face. There are idiots that watches you. And them people that need to watch them. You won't do nothing. I am a big supporter of just that woman's humbleness. I am so many big supporters for that woman that it makes no sense. And every one of them is logical. And we could take it to the Supreme Court. Me and you, nobody else. If an American analyst analyzed everything that you're doing, they would simply come out and tell the people in a nicer way. There is no reason for Ping Ping to be nice. When I come home, I appreciate you keeping that life up. Because I'm going to answer you and I'm going to show the people, be it me, by my Father, I'm not playing with you. Anything I love, I'm not playing with you. Because you cannot run around for all these years and do these type of shit to people. This is known of you, what you're trying to put the attack out on her. Every time you speak, you want to dress, and you want one of them guys to see you and fall head over heels for you, and them see the woman anyway and do her. Remember, you know, it's only make her stop, show with the beauty side of Jamaica and how she travel up and down, you know. Who you know? Right, Tina? How much more you gonna take from we out there so we want to see her? Them the days they're gone. She don't feel comfortable. So now is the time that somebody have to speak up. We rely on to see certain things from her. Y'all took that.
That's a long way up there. That's all day.
She don't need everybody out here, so you know. And not everybody she need, you know. The Lord will show her that, you know. Cause what only think it gonna happen to her? Nah, gonna happen. Something around the corner, I say, madder than Madhouse. Madder than Madhouse production, especially now. You want man to hear your talk, and you want to set her up, and that anger me. And nobody can come up for me in a life because I'm a friendly Tina. I go to clubs. I've never been to a Jamaican club. I never really hang around. But somehow I love my country and I love good people, and I'm always walk like that. And see for everything what me have upstairs, Tina, I tell you right now, no girlfriend. You see, anybody would know you're wrongdoing, them can call it goodbye to the Lord, you know. You see, anybody will not believe. And we're going to continue to support her, you know. And we're going to continue to tell her that she's beautiful, you know. Because guess what, Tina? You're far away from the Lord like it ain't nobody's business. Everything what this man upstairs asks you for, you're not get it. Your out appearance alone you have, which you don't have it no more. Zion see that woman clear as day because her heart and her higher. Him see her because him set out things for she do, and she'll do it. And if you think you're gonna stop that, remember now, God bless the people, them, you know. Jamaican people, and them are an idiot, you know. No matter how much you call the dolly them name of Jamaica, the dolly them love her. You hear that? The dolly them and the Ken them love her. So nobody use them Jamaican girl. The Jamaican girl them better than you. Tina chin for everything, use a leech. You might as well take your daughter and go downtown in a Manhattan and go push the bed where she lay down pan and go panhandle her and get some money. But you see behind that woman here, me personally, because my mother stay, me have patience like it ain't nobody's business. And I will see the day that you fall on your face because you're there. But people don't know for handle certain things, and I can't bother. To keep you there. If I'm me alone, you don't breathe. You see what them do to the black man over here in America, or them kneel down on them neck. Same thing me I do to you in a spirit. And if I'm me alone, I don't get you up. I bet say, you know, do nothing like what you normally do. Your avenue have to set up people where I do better than you. Me have every right. The Supreme Court will tell you say me have every right in America. Because I cannot let that go on. You know what I'm classified as in America? That's why I'm not worried about Jamaican people. I love my Jamaican people. Even if them lost in this lifetime with what go on in the world today. Me's a good Samaritan in a spirit. Put it in your head. Auntie not like me, she don't know me, all of these things. Anything I don't want to say. Because one thing I never come out for she like me. I come out for stand up whether she like it or not. And I come out here to support whether she like it or not. And this is all off of my doings. And nobody else. You don't have to leave her. Say what you want. But your lifestyle. You shouldn't make me hear certain things about you. You could never be like her, no dear. She never fight where she carry another world here. And I would stand up by them, whether them like it or not. And I would stand up by her mother, whether she like it or not. You know what the cool thing about it is? I'm over here in America, and I want absolutely nothing. Surrounding that businesswoman name, I want nothing. Because I can't accept. The things that I'm telling y'all, you can't buy it. With plastic, paper, nor kind. Do good. And good will follow you. Good coming all ways. Sheep, farm. Not underestimate it. Because I put her higher first. I have a problem, you know. You see one time things that are going to happen 4 years ago in Tina. A lot of people watch from 2020. I might not say nothing, but I watch it. Some days, the woman touch me. And she don't realize I know because I don't. Me not say nothing. And you see, as long as a person can touch you without them knowing, that's the best. She's not the only one that people stand up and fight for. There is greats that pave the way for we. And they don't have a problem with me. The nanny don't have a problem with me. Harriet Tubman have a problem with me. None of the greats them have a problem with me. People in this world have a problem with me. They will see your issue. They will see your connivingness. They will see everything with me here the other night from a nice platform about you. They will see it all. And they will begin to walk away. Slowly but surely. And if they don't, that only tell us that they're just like you. None of them nasty bitch there will call up that humanitarian name in an indecent manner and adding on to you what I saw. I know that this is how you want the world to look at her. And the reason why I'm not going to play, because this one downstairs, no. He don't know as much as the father, you know. But he know enough. And every shift you do, whether it be in a dark or not, Tina Chin, you won't get away with it over here. Over here is where I was raised at. Over here is where I know, not Jamaica. But you will swear, but they are Jamaica every day. And now I say a word. I'm not worried. You see, if you were saying all of what you were saying, Tina Chin, Marion Walters, and you didn't have a background like that, I would have. But no, Tina. You allow people to get harmed, hurt, set up, all of these different nasty things, not letting you go. Anybody that you have caused any kind of hurt to, I'll stand by their side without them knowing it, because I'm that of a jovial person. Me not running to people neither. You see anybody who running at me? And just want what them want? Them can't say nothing to me now. Them have to go underground. And when them go underground, me usually come out in my life and tell them underground chatters there, if you stop talk. The Lord is listening. You see this at the time, where the Lord busy, And I ask him, while the chalk line, it's a red chalk line that you cannot go over in the spirit. And they will always look at you like a bait. Anything you say, bet me. I've been this passionate about a couple things before. And I'm capable. And you will not harm her because of her God-given ambition. She's not bothering you at all. You're taking advantage because you're not seeing her taking flights to America. But I also told you I'm not going to play that game with you. When the Lord ready for her and he said, I want you to go east, that's exactly what she going to do. Nobody can stop it. Just like how you try, you and your friend and when you don't get along with, the whole I want to try to call Canada. Tina Chin, you was there when them call authorities in Canada. You, Laurie and Bob, the whole I want to tree to them. I want to know why me never come out here. I'm say if me there Facebook jail, me not saying nothing unless me can't take it no more. I go somewhere else. But I will wait and come back out there. So remember, I tell you now, Tina Chin. Tomorrow when I'm playing you and shaming you, don't say nothing. Don't bring your daughters up into shit. Nothing. Because they know about you. The Lord says so. You want to go against him? You've been doing it. But I'm the one who told you. December 31st, 2021. I told you what it would be when you went into that store that night and you said you wasn't ready to go to a church or to praise the Lord. You wasn't. And I told you right before 2022, 1 minute before 2022, I told you what I told you now. And it have been just that. And when I get home, I'll tell you the rest. Because I would then have to listen to you. You have to have a logical reason why you do certain things. Why do you post? Why do you show? Because they're doing a shit campaign, smear campaign on that businesswoman's life. Threats, underground plotting, all of these things. Why do you think every year it always come out that businesswoman feels some type of way and weird? Somebody has to be there. And if I could help out a situation with anything when that time come, and when the fat lady sing, and even if I'm at work, I have a traveling spirit, I'll be there. Tina Chin, remember I'm one of them. I've never diss up my auntie, never, ever, ever. Me no care a what. I won't and I will not fold for nothing. You know have it for say all the while, say she don't like me, she don't care, da da da. Just like me never put my accident. Why she not say this? I don't deal like that. And I know that me come out for, not even for myself. I come out strictly for her hire. You have the beautiful church people that I pray. The Lord have some more people out because he understand and he fully overstand. Don't think he don't know all situations. You worrying about her scars? Why don't you worry about your lifetime? What you got? And why it hinder you from getting into a relationship? Answer me this and I'm gone. Is it true that you slept with somebody's man that had AIDS? What about that woman that you have hurt? You dissing her up, trying to talk to her husband, acting like you the wife, but you the bitch. That's fine. The Lord is good. The Lord love each and every one of y'all to light. And Ping Ping love y'all to light. All when you don't like me, if you don't like me or whatever the case may be, that is your fucking problem. I said the Lord love y'all to light. And Ping Ping love y'all to light. Y'all won't make me not do what he wants me to do. So even if you don't, that ain't got nothing to do with me. I mean what I say. And I want y'all to know this. If this was any uno, and the Lord appointed things like, oh, me I look through the back here, then I would have done the same thing for each and every one of y'all, because I'm just that type of person. Despite the devil, I play with me, but him shouldn't. Because now, it's not the time of Ping Ping I gotta really play up. If uno can pray, because I have a praying warrior mother, you know. My Umi is a warrior, you know. I need y'all to know that. But, nothing wrong with extra. If uno can pray, and pray for me, go on and do such. I will accept it. Not no bad prayer. I'm in a run up in a people. I'm a father now gonna allow it. Big up to that businesswoman. Every single step that she take. Big up me too unto them. Every single step that they take. Because if uno don't think that this is bigger than anything, y'all stupid. And I don't want y'all to be. Remember now. And I mean that, y'all. Me literally say set up in my life before. It's not a nice thing. God will do, you know, but him send out him own people them for do too. And also remember, this is a person. If your lifestyle don't fit the businesswoman, you know, at no point at all, you know, travel all the way across the table, yeah, none. This is an attack. She's the devil. Me show her the two horn them of a Baphomet in her face. And I ain't worrying. And nothing will stop what I say. It's not gonna harm that businesswoman. And I promise you, on this $1 billion company where me I sit down right now, you hear me? And I'm gone.